Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add your own music to your TikTok videos, giving them a unique and personalized touch. Whether you're a musician looking to feature your tracks or just want to spice up your content with your favorite tunes, this tutorial has got you covered. Let's dive in. Adding your own music to TikTok is a straightforward process, but it does require a few steps. Now, firstly, open your TikTok application. After you've opened your TikTok app, tap on the plus icon to create a new video. Here you can choose your video from which it will add your own music to the TikTok. After you've chosen your video, now what you need to do is simply upload the video you have with the custom music. After uploading, you can still add TikTok's effects or text before posting. Just like that, your video is ready to go, complete with your very own music. And that's it. You've just learned how to add your own music to your TikTok videos. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our tips and tricks. Have any questions or want to share your creations? Drop a comment below.